You know, what makes you really want to dive into loving to clean is, see, I just cleared off everything. I'm trying to make more space. I'm trying to get more shelves over here on the wall. Maybe that can happen. But I'm sitting here and I'm cleaning and I'm like, wow, this is so fun. And, you know, I think that to be able to love, you know, taking care of a home is to really be grateful. I was reaching for the oil to fill it up here, and I'm like, wow, this is so much fun. Like, I just love taking care of a home. And it's because I'm so grateful that I get to do this. You know, not everybody can do this, but if you do go to work and you come home and you're tired, you know, take it easy. Take it easy. Do what you have to do to refresh yourself. And, you know, the times that you do get to spend at home, you know, really be grateful. It's all about being grateful. So, you know, I used to go to work too, and I was still very grateful. People say, "Oh, well, you don't have to go to work. That's why you like shoveling." I work, okay? I work every day, very hard. I am my own boss, but yet I'm still a slave to the family and the children, and I'm very busy. I have to leave soon now and go spend 6 hours at a skate park. And so my life is not my own. It belongs to God, and I have to be diligent in it. So just to be grateful is where it's at. And if you're not happy about what you're doing in your life, it's probably because you're not grateful for the things that we have to be doing. So here's my little essential oil thing with a little light. And at night I make it all cozy by putting this little light on here. You know, it's all so cute. I like it to feel like a little cottage. I'm more of a cozy, cottagey type feel person rather than big and extravagant. So all the Christmas stuff is out except for the manger scene, the nativity scene. And isn't that cool? Think about this. Think about the nativity scene and think about how Jesus is in a manger. Now, that manger is for animals to eat. So, see this here? The animals, it's like a little trough for little animals to come and eat, eat out of, for animals to come and eat out of this. And the reason why he is laying in this is not out of convenience. It is because we eat God through the Eucharist, okay? That's why, I mean, everything means something. And that's why he is in a place where animals eat, because we are too to eat him. So I just love that fact. That just came to my mind recently in the last couple of years, and I thought that was phenomenal. So we have here some pictures of Jesus and Mary. These are really big posters that were given to me this last couple of weeks, and I thought, let me put them up. And she's got stuff on her from probably the party. I'll have to clean that off. And, you know, you want beautiful pictures. Beautiful pictures. My daughter made this. You know, you want beautiful pictures of, you know, the Sacred Heart of Jesus somewhere in your home. Our Lady with her crown or her stars on her head. And love makes a home. It's true. It's true. It's true. So I love coming over here, and I love talking to God and praying and thanking him, you know, just thanking him for love. And my family, isn't this cute? My son gave this to me. Live simply, love deeply, and love often. My children know me. Okay, so be grateful. All right. Yesterday, man, whoa, that was a day and a half. I was so emotional about everything. So I don't know what that was all about, but today I'm in better spirits, and just pray your rosary. Pray your rosary. We'll be doing that in the car. We pray a couple of decades of the rosary together. I used to make them do the whole thing, but now I just do the two with them and can finish it up myself. You know, the secrets are in the rosary, people. It's true. It's true. Okay. Happy unschooling day. Ooh, ooh.